All right. What we got here is a 2009 Rookie Premier 30 card box set. We'll do a little opening. It has a 1 in 24 chance of an autograph in there, so you never know. This little box there. Alright. Get right to it. Sorry, I'm doing this on a cardboard box right now. Wasn't really prepared, but I wanted to open something up. Got the upper deck sealant. Been sitting around a while. Got this at a hobby shop. Sitting around. Well, I don't know if the autograph would actually be inside or loose, but here it is. Let's see. Got all sorts of pack openings I'm going to be doing pretty soon. All sorts of genres. Let's see what we got here. Chiffon Ringer. I apologize ahead for any mispronunciations. I'm well known for that. Let's actually take a look at the card quality. It's pretty nice cards. Derek Williams. Jeremy. It's hard to read these names on this. Mason? Desleen? I'm already mispronouncing them. Brandon Pettigrew. Hakeem Nicks. We've got a Michael Crabtree. Brian Robadowski. A Patrick Turner. Noshan Marino. Again, you're just going to have to get used to that if you watch these videos. I'm going to mispronounce everything. Aaron Curry. Lesrin McCoy. I also have a nice tripod coming in eventually. Dion Butler. Mohammed I'm not going to try. Red Bomer. Josh Freeman. Darius Hayward. NFL players rookie shirts. That's cool. Donald Brown. Got a Matthew Stafford. That's a good card. Tyson Jackson. Kenny Britt. Got a Mark Sanchez. No autographs in this, I believe. Pat White. Jason Smith, a Ramses Barden, a Nate Davis, sorry, Chris Burner Wells, a Jacqueline is a Sean Green. Yeah. Hopping right out of there. And a Percy Harvin. So no autos, but that's cool. I like the card stock. It's nice. We'll be open plenty of other things here, but that's that for now. And yeah, thanks for watching.